Okay guys, the distributor stabbed in. My last video you saw how I lined up the reluctor wheel with the pickup coil magnet inside the distributor, and I set everything to mechanically to what looked like about 10 degrees, as close as I could get. And I had to charge the battery up a little bit, and now I've set all the wires up, checked the firing order, made sure everything's cool, locked down the distributor, plugged everything back in except for the spout connector, and now it's time to see if we got it right. So here's the real question: can I mechanically time the motor at 10 degrees before top dead center by lining up the timing mark, lining up the distributor, and stabbing it in and pointing everything in the right direction? How close can I get when I actually fire the motor up to the 10 degrees? Are we a country mile off? Are we going to have to fight the distributor and rotate it back and forth 100 times until it finally fires up and pops and bangs? Or is it just going to start? Well, let's find out. Yeah, buddy. That's close. It's running really good. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm going to try to time it with you guys too to see how it did.
I don't know how clear that's coming out on tape, but we nailed it. That's 8 degrees.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's a success. We were able to mechanically dial the timing in to within 2 degrees of our target. That's really good. It's not perfect, but it's really good. So car started right up, first try, no popping and banging and doing stupid stuff, and we're happy. So now I guess, well, I got you here. Why don't we try the wiggle test and see if this module works better than the last one. God, please don't let me grab my finger in that. The wiggle test passed. Let me see if I can beat on it with something. Give it the tap test. Boom. Problem solved. It was definitely the module.